I have something to tell you guys. But first, coffee. So, we're moving from Texas to Florida and we've decided to sell our house. Now, the thing is that we are downsizing from a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home to a 1 or 2-bedroom apartment. And we have to do it all in less than 3 months. The plan for today is to do a quick touch-up clean and get ready for this long distance move. I already started packing the house and I want to show you what I've already done. This closet was, oh my god, so messy. But I decluttered everything, organized all the like homework stuff, and the laundry already took everything out of there, or most of the stuff, and sorted them by taking to Goodwill or trash or things I need to look at and sort. And here I wanted to do something too. I wanted to elevate this area a little bit so that it's like more attractive in the selling process. This is the linen closet, which was a huge mess as well. Now the guest room. Well, this is where we are bringing all of the clothes so we can organize them. All of this is going to either Plato's Closet or any place where we can sell used clothes. Whatever we can't sell, it's going to Goodwill. This is the best thing ever. We already packed half of my husband's closet. All his shirts are here. We put them all there and then put them in the bag, and then took out all the hangers, sealed it, and then with the vacuum we took out all the air. I love these because they don't take that much space. My husband will be driving to Florida, and these are going to be perfect because he'll have enough room in the car to take as much stuff as he can. Clearly, we're going to have to repeat this process a few more times, but as of right now, everything that I am packing in these bags, I'm gonna take to Plato's Closet or other stores. Whatever they don't buy from me, I am going to be making a garage sale, and then whatever I don't sell there, I'm going to donate. This has also helped me to be more mindful when buying, and to include during the year opportunities to go through the closet and declutter, because I only do it when it's occasions like this, moving. But this is something that should be done a few times in the year, either beginning, middle, or end, or do it by seasons. But I would definitely be adding this to my yearly cleaning routines. Drop down in the comments any questions you have about moving long distance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.